Okay, I'm going to show how to remove a shifter knob out of Volvo S80 or Xc70 2007 and newer. And this is the whole assembly with shifter knob, and all has to be done is that that silver ring needs to be turned. So I turned it this way here. Now I'm gonna push it down just like that, and now I'm gonna pull the knob, and that's it. There's no tools needed. That's all, like just like that. One strong move. Here it is. Shifter knob removed. New one. If you have a different one, you can. All you have to do is push it in. I mean, first the ring, then just like that. That's it. And then all you do is put the ring back just like that, and it's all done. So it's easy, no tools needed. It might sit stronger in some cases, so it might need one strong pull like this. You see, I just put it in and lightly, and now it locked in, but it's out now. That's all. So here it is. I can see I have another one. Maybe I can I have one like that, but the I don't think the light would work because probably would have to be cut because it would be on the way. But I've seen people installing on these older shifter assemblies these newer knobs, so it still works just like that. And yeah, just so I'm gonna push. See, still works. You can use all the assembly with newer knob. All would have to be done here. Just cut the cable. It would not be needed. But if you don't want to change the whole shifter assembly, you can just change the knob, and it still would work fine. So yeah, either one like this with wood trim, or of newer ones, 2013, 14 and newer.